eTarbiya is a project of the Yusuf Zia Kavakchi Institute for Islamic Scholarship and Research.
eTarbiya. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to eTarbiya Online Learning. We use the technology of the internet to help you learn and grow in Islam. eTarbiya is an amazing new way to learn about Islam. On this site, we will have digital educational content such as videos, podcasts, online quizzes, and learning games. And not only does eTarbiya help you learn, but it gives you the opportunity to teach others what you have learned. We call this Learn, Teach, and Earn Rewards.
Learn, teach, and earn rewards.
Learn, teach, and earn rewards.
On eTarbiya.
On eTarbiya.
You could take what you've learned and then create a short video or audio file. Send us the link. If we approve it, we'll post it. And then you will get 25 points for the project. With these points, you can buy prizes in our online store. Does all this sound good so far?
Oh yeah!
Okay, well, here's the only thing. Most of the stuff on this site isn't working yet. We need your help to raise money so that we can pay the website guy to get everything working and ready so that you can
learn, teach, and earn rewards.
Ask your parents to support eTarbiya by clicking on the donation button. Oh, Ahmed, does the donation button work yet?
Yeah, that one is working. I made sure of that.
Thanks for your support. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.
eTarbiya.